Happy Friday, and may it be a safe one, because it is the 13th. I'm over here at a beautiful job over here just over the 312 bridge, and check this little, man, this is like a little modified martini cocktail pool. This is going to be awesome. Got a little marsh view out there if you can see through the trees. But we're going to be we got a nice raised wall here. We got 3 sheer waterfalls coming over. We just made a change. We're going to put a planter behind there for some nice lush tropical plants. Very cool right here. You see the 3 jets? Those are just like you put in a spa. They're going to be able to give some therapy when you're sitting back there on that bench. I think that's pretty neat. And we got a big stone gate retaining wall all the way around. This yard has some major slope to it. Look at the back of this slope. Look at that. So we're gonna have to bring in a little bit more soil, and to maintain 30 inches, you can't go bigger than 30 inches on the drop in the back. Won't pass inspection. So yeah, coming along nice over here, especially with a couple weeks of rain. Still had great progress, and always beautiful Pentair equipment. We know about this, the infamous heat cold 3 horsepower pump. Sorry, we don't put the 1.5, 1.7, 2.7. We like to do it right. No ball valves. Got a salt cell. This is going to be nice. So you guys have a happy Friday. Be safe out there. Let's pray for a little sun dance, because I think we got enough rain to last us for about 6 months. So let's have a little sun dance. Let's have some fun in the sun this weekend, we hope. And you have a great weekend. We'll see y'all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.